Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, madam.
Yes, sir.
Let us start.
Yeah. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Today also we are taking the revision of the maths. Yesterday also we learned about the different type topics related to our maths. So today also we are taking the revision. So myself Chhaya Surse. So today let's now the next. Yesterday we learned about the integers. Some numbers are positive and some numbers are negative. So in these numbers, I have given some numbers here. So you have to classify the following numbers as positive or negative. So the numbers having the sign, this sign is called minus sign. This sign is called plus sign. So that's why these numbers are called. If the numbers having the sign, then you can classify them as a positive or negative numbers. Clear? Already you learned, just I am reversing this one. So this number having the minus sign, that's why this, if the number having the minus sign, that is called negative number, that is called negative number. So number having the plus sign, but no need to give this plus sign to the positive numbers. If there is a plus sign, the number having the plus sign, that is called the positive number. But no need to show this plus sign to the positive number. Already we know this is the positive number, but this is necessary for only negative number, because negative number should indicate by this minus sign. Then we can understand this is the negative number. So minus 5, this one is negative number. This is the negative number. Minus 5 negative. Now this 19 is positive number. Positive, positive number. So 19 is the positive number and minus sign negative number. Okay. Next number is 30. It's not having the plus sign, but this is the positive number. This number is not having the plus sign, but this one is positive number. 30 is the positive number. Okay. And now the next number is negative 66, minus 66. Minus sign, this number having the minus sign, that's why this is the, which type of this number? You can classify as a positive and negative. So this is the positive number? No, this is the negative number, because it's having the sign minus sign. That's why this is the negative number. Understood? This is the negative, minus sign, negative numbers, and positive not having the plus sign, but this is the positive number, 19 and 13. Now clear this one, positive and negative. Positive numbers and negative numbers. Clear? Now the next question. Write the opposite numbers. Now opposite means this is the number 52, negative 25, 45 and negative 71. So these numbers now convert into positive number. Sorry, opposite number. Opposite number means now the 52. 52 opposite, another side, right hand side, sorry, left hand side. Which number will be opposite to 52? Can you tell me? 52 opposite number. So 52, this is the positive number. And the opposite number will be negative 52. Opposite number will be negative 52. Because this is the positive and opposite of this number is negative 8. Yes. Now break my voice.
No, it's breaking. Little bit breaking.
I can't do it. And now we convert into improper fraction. So that's why we have to multiply these two numbers, denominator and this number. So 5 fours are 5 yes, Ritu, 5 fours are
20.
and add this number. You have to add the numerator. So 5 fours are 20 plus 7, 27. So our improper fraction will be, denominator will be same. We just write 27 upon 5. 27 upon 5. So in this way, we convert this number into improper fraction. So here is the 4 and 5 multiply. 4 multiply to 5 and add the numerator plus 7. Our fraction is 27 upon 5. 27 upon 5. Clear? Now in this way, this mixed number we are converted into improper fraction. The now next number is 2.
9 to 18.
Yeah. So next is mixed number. Who will read the mixed number? You have to know how to. No. Read this mixed number. 2 and 5 upon 9. Because you have to know.
5 upon 9.
Yeah, 2 and 5 upon 9. Yes? So here is the operation is multiplication. Here is the operation is multiplication. And in this product, you will add the numerator. Then we will get the improper fraction. Then we will get the improper fraction. So the step 2, you have to multiply the C.
9 to 18.
Yeah. 9 to the 18. 9 to the 18. 18 plus 5. You have to add. You have to multiply this number. 2 multiply to 9, 18. 18 after you have to count the 5 fingers. So that will be the 23. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 5, 23. So 23 upon 9. 23 upon 9. In this way, we convert this number into improper fraction. So it's too easy. You have to know the operation between these numbers. So 2 multiply to 9 and the numerator will be add. Numerator will be add. So 23 upon 9. Clear? Now the next question, convert into common fractions. Convert into common fraction. Now this number in which form? Can you tell me? 19.8. In which form is it? In
Mix.
which, yes, in which,
Mix.
yes, yes, Ritu.
Mixed fraction.
No, this is called the mix fraction, mixed numbers. The numbers having the three numbers the nearby the fraction. This is called the mixed number. In which form is it? 19.8. Which type? I'm telling you, this is called the decimal fraction. Yaad hai? This is called the decimal fraction. So decimal point is there, na? That's why this is called the decimal fraction. Now we want to convert into common fraction. Common fraction is like this fraction. So we want to convert into common fraction. So what you will do? What you will do? You will multiply. How to convert? So there is the power of 10, because how many decimal places? Decimal point after the numbers having the decimal places. So you have to know how many decimal places are here?
1.
1. And how many decimal places are here?
3.
3. That's why when you want to convert the decimal fraction into common fraction, that's why you have to know the decimal places. If you have the knowledge of decimal places, then easily you can convert these numbers into common fractions. Now see, now this number is whole number without decimal point. Without decimal point, this number is, what is this number?
Whole.
Yeah, whole number, but read the number. Read the number.
19.8.
Without decimal point. I told
908.
you, 908. Clear? So you have to write the number on the numerator place. 908. And one decimal place, that's why you have to take the 1 with the 1. Power of 10. Power of 10. The number is without decimal point. Without decimal point, the number is 908. When you are converting the number, when you are converting the decimal fraction into common fraction, so no need to write the decimal point on the numerator place. And the one decimal place, that's why 10 will be there. In this way, we convert into common fraction. This decimal fraction tha na 19.8. We convert into 908 upon 10. This number is convert into now common fraction. Improper fraction, common fraction, anything you can say. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
Now this number is without decimal point. So decimal places are 1, 2, 3. But the number is
5504.
no, 5500. 55,000.
55,400.
55,400. So number is 55,400 without decimal point. So you have to write first number without decimal point. And then how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. So put the 30 with 1. That's it. In this way, we convert this decimal fraction into common fraction. Decimal fraction into common fraction. So 55,400 upon 1,000. So this is called the power of 10. 1,000, 10, 100, 10,000. This is called the power of 10. In this way, we convert the number convert the decimal fraction into common fraction. Understood all of you? How to convert into common fraction. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Clear all of you? So now you can easily convert. Now the next I can give you. So you will try to convert it. 45.770. Now convert into,
40,
yeah, convert. Come on.
570.
You can write on the screen also. I share my screen. So convert 45.70, convert into common fraction. This is decimal fraction. So number will be
545.70.
4,570. 4,570. 4,570. And how many decimal places? 1 and 2.
100.
So, yes, right. So now in this way we convert these numbers into
Common fraction.
convert into
Common fraction.
common fraction. 4,570 upon 100. Clear?
Yes.
In this way you can convert the numbers. Okay. So understood all of you how to convert and how to Chalo. Thank you everyone.